All right, hello everybody, and in this video, well, as you may see, I'm a little bit tired, and to be honest, I just woke up. I felt quite tired because I feel a bit sick, to be honest. And when we are sick, we need to sleep more for some reason, and in today's video, I would like to speak about this actually. So it's a perfect time, perfect moment. What do we do when we are a freelance, when we are working as a freelance? So when we are a freelancer and we are sick because we don't have sick leaves, and it can be quite hard, especially when we just start and we don't have much clients paying to us. Some clients would pay to us even when we are sick. They say no problem, we cover that. Some others will not, and so you will have no money. And no money equals no income at the end of the month. And that's a danger because especially when you just start, you don't have savings from your company, from your little corporation you might have to set up. Since when you start as a freelance, you start a business account, and so you would put some savings over time from clients paying you. But in this case, you have not much, but you feel really sick, and you know that you need to take some time. Yeah, you need to take some time for you, and that can be a big issue. So I would suggest first, like if you live with someone else, for instance, you have a partner, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, wife, husband, it would be nice then if they also have a job. That will help. At least they will help you during that time. But when you have a family, the money will be too tight, and that will also cause an issue. Again, it depends for how long you are sick, but this is when it comes that you need probably to subscribe to a kind of insurance, sick leave, insurance fund. That will be, you will be able to take money from there. I suggest you to have a look online. That could be one option. The second option could be for you to have a second side business, one side business, probably not second side business, because being a freelance, it's not a side business, it's your main job. So having one side business where that will work a little bit as an autopilot, having I'm not sure, maybe courses online, like Udemy courses. Again, they need to make enough money, and that's not the case often. It's quite hard to make a lot of money, especially decent money for 1 week with Udemy. Really hard. In my case, I have a Udemy, I have a few courses, and the money is zero for me. It's like really close. It's like $10, even less per month. So it's actually like a few bucks a month. So I cannot, that will definitely, it will not even cover like a jam at the end of the month, if you see what I mean. So I need something more. There is where you could, for instance, maybe offer a service like a translation service on italki or a similar platform. I know when you are sick again, you need to take some time for you. So it's not ideal again, but maybe teaching languages, it's easier rather than coding, and you don't have to think as much as coding. It depends. Well, that could be one option, but again, it's definitely not ideal because you still need to work. The other one is, again, something really autopilot. Could be investment too, could be, so it could be like real estate investment, could be also from money, like currencies, forex, could be from blockchain, currencies, crypto money, forex, all of those kind of stuff. Could be from equity from your previous company. So now currently if you work for a company, or if you will move, like if you are planning to leave your company and move in to a startup, make sure that startup has equity and do offer good equity, because that could be a good money for you. And that money could cover when you are sick if you want to be a freelance in the near future. Now, there are not a lot of options when we don't really have like much time. And again, autopilot businesses do exist, but they still require some, you to spend some time, monthly, and also some skill set. That's a problem. If you are freelance, your skill set is usually different. And so when you are moving into freelancing, usually you are moving into freelancing because you don't want to, want to do marketing, or you don't want to be something else. You are a software engineer. But it's always nice to look for other opportunities, so to sell some products or even your software on Flipper, on those kind of websites where you can just sell your service, your website. You have a bunch of, so it's not only Flipper, you have a lot of them. And actually Flipper nowadays, it used to be the main one. Even Mark Zuckerberg, he sold his face image on Flipper. That was a very long time ago, and nowadays it's not the one anymore, if you see what I mean. So now acquire.com, acquire flippers.com, and yeah, these two ones are basically the ones you will have to go for if you want to sell maybe an application or a website that works well. Again, it's not for everybody, but if it does, you can make a lot of money. Or you need to create some small micro SaaS services and then sell them, and that could be a recurring revenue. Yeah. Or having a SaaS could be also kind of an autopilot business, but again, you have to start now before to become a freelancer in case you get sick. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I would say, I'm just looking if I missed anything else, but I think that you have again a lot of other opportunities, a lot of other things you could do. I took a lot of notes. That's why I was looking in my notes. If I didn't have anything I could share with you, but yeah, again, always look for small opportunities. Basically, the small opportunities usually are the ones we didn't really think about. Like I said, SaaS services could be a good one, but it could be also a small like e-commerce website, a niche e-commerce website where you are selling maybe your partner, if let's say your wife or your husband, of course, is good at sewing. They like to sew really nice clothes, and you will set up an e-commerce website and selling those kind of homemade, crafted, beautiful ties or beautiful pillows or beautiful cushions, and that could be also a way of like a business, or maybe on a platform. Like I spoke as a software engineer, you can use Fiverr, although it's really bad money. But if you like crafted things, you can use Etsy. Etsy would definitely be the one. But again, having your own e-commerce website will also be a huge advantage. Again, you have to be good with at being on the top of the search results on search engines. So, like you have to use Google AdWords, like Google Ads to be visible, and then probably short ads, on Google Shorts, and then TikTok ads, and then YouTube ads. So it's like it does require some kinds of effort before, but after, once all of this is set up, it will be beneficial for you. Alright, so I hope this will help. In my case, I will rest a little bit because I really don't feel well. I'm drinking a chamomile tea right now, pure chamomile. And yeah, see you in another one. Bye bye.